I'm going to make the final bit of my juice, apple juice, which we call omnanas in my Uganda, my country, and where I come from. So those that have been following me, earlier I made a video where I started from scratch making the juice, where I had to cut the pineapple peels. Hey baby, the pineapple peels, and then boil them, where I added ginger, I added cloves, I added dates, yeah, for more organic sugar. So now this is the results, as you can see. So now I'm going to get the juice out. So let's do this together. So this is where I'm going to put the juice. This is it. So not to make a mess, I'll put it inside here, and then I'll sieve out the water. Like that. Yeah. When that is done, this is already good enough. I'll put this here. This is just good enough, see? And then the next thing, I'll get a paper bag. It's here. I'll put it here. So what I didn't show you, my hands are very clean. I can still wash them more. Because normally, I don't use gloves. I don't trust the gloves and the chemicals they are made of. So I cannot use gloves in this kind of juice. So what I'll do, I'll put this inside. Put this here, and then I'll squeeze the juice out of this, and then I put the remaining pills in the trash bag. So I'm squeezing it out like that. I think this will not even help. So the best thing is, yeah, normally I do that like this, but I think it's better. I do like this. Same thing, still. You squeeze everything out so that you get the remaining juice out of all this. Okay? Yeah, you continue until you're done. So now I'm going to show you when I'm done, but at least I've showed you what I got before squeezing everything out of this. So I use my hands normally because I don't think there's anything that will do it better if it's not a blender, and I don't want to blend all that. Squeezing the juice out, like I told you earlier. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm done. You can see this is the trash. This is the trash that came out. Yeah. I wash my hands. Now I'm going to fill it again. See that we get the best juice. Keep doing so until you get the paste. And then I'll wash it again. I'll filter again. Yeah, the process continues until you make sure what you have is clean. Okay, finally, this is the juice. Yeah, it's just like any other normal juice, even if it's passion, orange. You know how it sits down and everything goes down and then the pure water comes up. So this is it. So when you're going to drink it, you make sure you mix it properly. Yeah, so this is it. It comes from somewhere. So if you want to drink good juice, natural juice, you have to make it. If you're lazy, go buy something made for you. Okay, this is all my juice. Thank you for watching.